Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to insert word art in MS Word 2013. First, open Microsoft Word document. Then go to Insert, click Word Art. You can select any design or style and right here insurance, you can change a style. There are many styles. You can go to more layout option and you can change layout in this section. You can use fill color and outline color. And change outline white, and you can change outline white style like dashes, round dot and dash dot, long dash. Then you can change style. There are many. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.